So I've received my exhaust valve controller today from 11 Mod. I thought I'd do a little video just to show you what you get in the package. I've not opened it yet, so I will be looking and seeing what's inside this as well as you lot. Let's get it going. I have to say the box is really nice. So, the remote. I'm assuming this is for loud, this is for quiet, or valve open, valve closed. That's pretty nice. And then we've got two interesting looking modules. The good thing about these is you don't have to add any extra wire in. I think these literally sit in place and is powered directly from the exhaust valves rather than having to run the wiring elsewhere. As you can see, looks really simple to install. I will be installing these shortly, and we get two of them because it's going on an RS6, which will be the same as the RS7. So there's two valves, two modules. Yeah, let's get them installed and see how easy it is to fit. So all you have to do is unplug the factory harness and connector as arrowed here in the video. On top of the connector there is a little tab. Just push down on it and pull the connector away. Really easy to do, takes about 5-10 minutes aside. Once you've done that, you simply install the harness that's provided by 11 Mod in between the OEM exhaust valve and the OEM connector and harness. All in all, it took me about 5 minutes per side. I didn't need to lift the car. I was able to do this on the drive. And I really like they 3D printed a mount to hold both sides of the cable together.